Our project is about cleaning the hull of the ship. We have used MakeBlock to train our machine learning model with 100 samples of plain white images and 100 samples each of the two types of biofouling it has learned to recognize. The camera will scan the hull of the ship to see if it detects any type of dirt. If dirt is detected, then it will send the input to the Arduino system on how many times the clean function needs to be performed on the hull. Also, as long as the hull is dirty, the NeoPixel will remain red and the ship will not leave.
We have used EVG Mindstorm software and hardware for bringing in the ship autonomously. At the bottom of our towing system, we have used a color sensor. The moment the NeoPixels turn red, the motors of the towing system will stop. The color sensor takes input from the NeoPixels. The NeoPixels will turn red the moment the ship is less than 10 centimeters away from the frame.
Now let me explain the third system, which is the Arduino C++, which will help the hull cleaning happen. To clean the hull of the ship, we have used the forward and backward function, which use the pulley system and the limit switches. In addition to that, we have also used the up function, which uses the rack and pinion mechanism and the bottom limit switches. It will move horizontally depending on the input given from the MakeBlock software.
First stage, the mechanism interacts with the ship by scraping, scrubbing and polishing the ship.
While going back, it will also detect the cracks which are on the hull. It will also tell that to the owner of the ship.
Join us in our mission to make hull cleaning safe for humans and the environment.